Well, it's seed starting time, and today we're talking about cabbage. And to be honest with you, I'm pretty excited about it because I'm really wanting to get some going this year. So, first and foremost, you want these to be about a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch deep, roundabout. It doesn't have to be perfect. Don't worry about it. All right. So, what's great about cabbage? Oh boy, I think I just got every seed I needed out of there. Is they actually don't have super tiny seeds. So they're a little bit easier to deal with. So we're actually only going to plant 6 of them today. Oh boy. We're only going to plant 6 of them today. And then we're probably going to do a couple more later on. I got to see how much room I've got. And we're going to only do one seed per cell, just because they're actually kind of easy to, situate there. See, that was 6. I think I can get away with 8. So we're actually going to do 2 sets of them. Yeah, so we'll just plant 12 of them in total. And for my grow setup, all I've got in these cells is Fox Farm Happy Frog that I took through a 1/4 inch mesh, shook it down, put it in a 5-gallon bucket, so that way, I'd have it ready, know it's ready to go. And then I'm also using seed cells that I got from Dollar General. They're only like $5. At the end of the season last year, I just kind of rinse them out. I don't get super excited. And then before I go to plant them, I normally give them a vinegar or a bleach bath, let them dry, rinse them off again, then let them dry again, and then I'll put dirt in there. So that way, put my potting mix in there, so that way there's not any fungus or bacteria or any spread through, previous seasons to new seasons. So the big thing that I am trying now that I wasn't trying before is vermiculite. Seems like there's a lot of success going on with using it to start your seeds. They do say you can start your seeds just in vermiculite, but I'm not sure about that. And all we're going to do is just put a little bit on top there. Now, I will say you're probably going to think that you put too much. Don't worry about it, because every time I've watered this so far, it sinks down in there, and it's a little bit, it seems like I keep having to redo it. But I'm also not using my sprayer yet. And then we're just going to take it, water it in. Oh, that one I did a number on. And if you're needing a video to make some nitrogen fertilizer, because once these bad boys get going, that's what they're going to need, go ahead and check out this one over here. And if you want to see what we're going to be up to in the 2025 season and see how these guys turn out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.